Alright, I'm not sure how good this video will be, but you can see the difference in color. You can see where it comes right here. It starts right there. And you can see it's on the inside as well, right here. See the difference in color. Here it's not rubbing, here it's rubbing. And this is the backer plate of the rear brake. This is your emergency brake here, parking brake, I guess it's called, not emergency brake, parking brake here. But then you see that color change start right here on this lip and as well as inside, and it does go all the way around. It goes all the way around. You see how shiny that is on both the lip and the inside, and then you see it start to turn back to rust, and then we're back to rust up here where it's not rubbing it. They did this. This is them. It doesn't hurt anything. It doesn't hit anything or anything like that, so it's fine. No reason to worry about it. But you see where it stops right there. So what it was doing is it was coming around and it was hitting that that lip on the bottom, rubbing all the way around this backer plate, as well as the parking brake was not properly adjusted. It's rubbing right here as well, creating an extensive amount of dust inside the rotor. But on the rotor, you can see on the rotor, here is where it's rubbing on the rotor, right here on this lip, all the way around. And it started eating that rotor up pretty good. So both sides need to be checked, and the brakes need to be adjusted in a little better, the parking brakes. Other than that, I don't see any problems. There's nothing wrong with the bearing, but you can see all the metal shavings up here. See that? It's all metal shavings, so it's all going to have to be cleaned out and readjusted and fixed. So, all right, we'll go from there. I'll call the customer and we'll go from there.